Hi everyone, today I'm going to review the Tomight electric nail drill kit. So this one can help you to take care of your nail. So this is the box. Does look amazing. So now I'm going to open it. So let's remove it. And now we have the other box. So let's open from this side. So it looks great. So I have the pink color, and here the main part. This one contains the electric motor, so that when you plug in the power source to this side, it will and then you put the drill on the other side. So let's see what we have more. Here we have other tool set, such as like a nail clipper and also scissors, and also like blackheads remover. That's look cool because like this one is from the stainless metal, so it is very high quality. And look at other, so we have different kind of drills set. We have the this one is for nails polishing, and also to remove and also making the shape of the nail. And also we have others drill. This one is for, we have the sandpapers wrap around the pin, so when the motor they rotate, it can help you to remove the unnecessary part of the nails, and also to remove the dead skin. And here we have the cable. This cable is kind of they have the power connector here, so actually you're gonna plug this with the motor. And here's the USB interface, so you can use any kind of phone charger or any kind of charger that have the USB type A side. So here is voltage controller, and also the rotations controller. And here, if you see, if you press it to this side, the motor gonna rotate in the clockwise, and this side is gonna rotate in a counterclockwise direction. And here is others controller to help you to control the speed of the motor, and by rotating that small wheel here, you can control the rotation speed. And let me connect to the power source, and I have the USB charger here, so I can remove these. Okay, so we hear the sound when it's working. So when it's work, you see that there's electric connections indicated by the LED. And if I want to turn off, and just do like this. Okay, let me plug in the drill. So I'm gonna use this one, and actually what you're gonna put it in the little hole here, right? Just spread it a little bit, and then we turn on. Okay, and we can control the speed. Okay, the speed is very high now. And here I gonna do something with my nail. Okay, so let's polish it. This is very sharp, so it can help you to remove and polish the nails. that is very good. So does look amazing, and this one is metal case, so it's very high quality. So this is pretty impressive for me. Thanks for watching.